we are the hairstyler. My name is Cristina de la Torre. My name, hi, my name is Angel Faye, and we are the two stylisters. Okay, now we're gonna make a French braid. A two French braid. Ayaw lagi kay hindi na makita sa camera yung buko ko saan. Kanya lang. Now, we're gonna get this. Ayaw lagi na. Matali pa lang niya. 3 hair. And cross it to the center. Like a hair French braid. We get a chunk of hair, and cross it to the middle. Get another chunk of hair and cross it over to the center. Another chunk of hair. Another chunk of hair. Keep on going. Di ba nakakabot? Awan buhok ng amaw. Ayaw lagi gitaw. Ay, unya naglinig ko man. Host diri o kabaw mo sakit po. Keep on going down. And last tip. Yung lagitan. Ano yan? Sabot eh. Wala na makita yung buhok. Now this is this is the finished product of hairstyler. Now, gila ko ano. Now we are done in hairstyler. Smile ba lang. And and we are the two Two styler girls. Bye. See you. Bye to you.